Hey guys, so today's video is brought to you by Topdrive.store. Check them out. You can find them on Insta at Topdrive.store. You can also find them in the link in the description below on this video. Check them out for all your different needs of car accessories, things like that. They're absolutely fantastic. And don't forget to use the discount code of wolfkiff, and that will get you up to 20% off of your purchases. And you can find them on your phone. Also stay tuned, because after this video there is actually an unboxing video of my first purchase with them. Still can't believe it. Look at the fucking gouges there, look.
What gouges?
Actually, I do feel nice and smooth there. And
them ones need a bit more work. Not much.
Fuck's sake.
Run your hand over that. That there is a little dent. That needs to come up. So where we put the filler, it was a little bit thinly actually. And we could have done with a little bit more. It's uncovered.
Oh, it's really not. Fucked me right off, that has. So here we are unboxing my air freshener, record player air freshener that I got from Topdrive.store. So I thought I'd just do a quick video of it being unboxed. As you can see, it's quite a nice looking box and it's got the cool graphic on the front of it. But this is how it's arrived for me today. I'm really excited to get this in the car, if I'm honest. Oh, that's really cool. So, yeah, I've seen the pictures of it. It's really cool actually, and the arm moves. But yeah, basically it's a record turntable that spins because the fan's inside there. So when you put this on your vent and that spins, and the cool thing about it is the air fresheners are these little discs you put on it. So when it spins, it actually looks like vinyl spinning on an old record player, which is absolutely brilliant. I cannot wait to get this in the car. And boom, like magic, here we are in the car. You know I'm going to be going for the mustache party fragrance. What we do, take the record player. I still think it's just so cool. Put it on heater vents like that. Open my mustache party. There we are. Then start the car. Let's put these heaters on. The heater's turned on. That's it. You have to make sure you put it on properly. Look at that, that's so cool. Can't tell what the fragrance coming out there is really nice. Well, see if it works on the lower settings as well. I tell you what, I love that. That is absolutely brilliant. I tell you what, the smell is lovely as well. So brilliant. Thanks to Topdrive.store for this. I am absolutely over the moon. It's a fantastic product. If you'd like one, or if you'd like something else that they do, then head over to the website. The description is in the link below. Also, if you use the promo code wolfkiff, it will get you up to 20% discount on your purchase. They do all sorts of things, not just air fresheners. They also do car cleaning, car safety, like the blind spot mirrors. They also do car comfort, so bits of storage for your car, pillows and things that make the long journeys a lot better. They do a lot of things. Go over to their website, check them out, hit them up, and don't forget that discount code of wolfkiff.